Hi and welcome back to Encrypted. Today we're going to be reviewing the Futurebit Apollo BTC SHA-256 desktop ASIC miner. What I think needs to be cleared up about the product description and product performance, its ability to mine, and tips and tricks I've learned about the miner. They do offer this miner in multiple models, but I am reviewing the full node version. So not only is this a miner, but it also is a full BTC node as well. With the current storage available, it seems it won't be for many years that this device will need to be upgraded to have enough storage. The storage capacity is currently at 60%, so it's got plenty of space left. I have tested this device's built-in Wi-Fi and it worked no problems, but I would never mine on a wireless signal. There are too many chances for data or packet drops. Sometimes it's just a few really good share submissions that make your entire day's mining. The device, from my experience, does not like to mine and have the node on at the same time. The device has 3 modes: Eco, Normal, and Turbo. The site claims up to 3.8 terahash, but that is with some advanced settings, voiding your factory warranty, and adding another power supply, which isn't included with the package. This is perfectly acceptable to me, but they shouldn't be claiming higher hash rates in the product page description. Also, the power draw is slightly higher than they claim from my personal experience as well. The device is way smaller than I realized it was. The device is only 4 inches wide, 4 inches tall, and about 6 inches deep. It's very lightweight, and it's very well made, so it's easy to clean and maintain. It's fairly quiet on Eco or Normal, but in Turbo, it's very loud. And this is to be expected, but it's definitely louder than I thought it would be. The fan can run all the way up to 3700 RPMs, which is going to be loud on any fan. I am extremely happy with the miner, but I thought I'd be able to pull the miner out of the box and be able to put it on turbo mode and get about 3.8 terahash a second. And when I bought this device, I based all my estimates and profit from that number. I have been able to solo a few different coins with networks between 5 terahash and 100 terahash a second, and the miner was pulling blocks no problem. I have the Futurebit currently mining Digibyte, and it performs excellent. As a heads up, even Futurebit recommends run the node while in normal or eco mode, but for me personally, in my experience, it's best not to have the node on at all while you mine. While setting up and configuring and making changes to your Futurebit miner, it needs to be restarted every time or it won't work properly, and it will just start mining and then disconnect, and then you won't be mining at all. Just always save and fully restart using the Apollo user interface every time you make a change. Also, be sure to not just restart your miner after making changes if you've been mining in turbo mode. The node will automatically turn on after you restart the device, and the miner is already too hot, so what happened to me personally is that my miner would overheat and then shut down. So I'd recommend shutting down your miner after making certain changes after you've been mining in turbo mode, and then turn the miner back on after about 10 or 20 minutes after it's cooled down. This gives you enough time to get into the Futurebit settings and turn off the node. Another problem I've experienced was the power supply on the Futurebit actually has a fan. So take precautions to make sure that your power supply fan is not blowing directly on your miner. Otherwise, the Futurebit will slowly heat up and eventually overheat. I provided links to the Futurebit homepage, product page in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay encrypted.